A good example of a public good is answer C, national defense. Market failure may arise because of answer E, all of the above. If my neighbor burns garden waste causing my house to fill with smoke, this is an example of answer D, a consumption externality. A competitive equilibrium is Pareto efficient because answer E, all of the above. In Nash equilibrium, each player chooses the best strategy. Answer C, given the strategies of other players. All of the following are types of imperfect competition except answer D, unfair competition. Tax shifting, answer D, occurs when household can alter their behavior and do something to avoid paying a tax. Which of the following is the government most likely to subsidize? Answer B, positive externalities. An example of an indirect tax is answer A, VAT. In a free market system, rationing occurs when there are increases in answer D, supply. Economics say that there has to be some form of rationing whenever answer D, there is excess demand. If a maximum price is set below equilibrium, there will be answer C, excess supply. A public good, answer C, has the properties of being non-excludable and non-diminishable. Agriculture prices tend to be unstable because answer D, demand and supply are price inelastic. If the price in a market is fixed by the government above equilibrium, answer B, there is excess supply. A positive externality occurs when answer A, the social marginal costs are higher than the private marginal cost. A decrease in demand for a product should answer B, decrease equilibrium price and quantity. A shift in demand will have more effect on price than quantity if answer C, the price elasticity of supply is +2. The price mechanism does not act as a answer D, indicator of income. The price mechanism cannot answer D, shift the demand curve. A subsidy paid to producers, answer A, shifts the supply curve. If the price was fixed below the equilibrium price, there would be answer B, excess demand. A shift in supply will have a bigger effect on price than output if demand is answer D, price inelastic. An increase in income will answer D, shift the demand curve. An inferior good is one for which an increase in income causes an answer D, decrease in demand. A monopolistic market has answer D, only one seller. The social cost of monopoly power arises because answer D, there is too little output at too high a cost. A national monopoly has a decline dash over a large range of output. Answer C, long run average cost. A monopoly may be self-perpetuating because profit may be used for answer D, all of the above. Where a tax can be shifted, the incidence depends on answer B. Elasticities of demand and supply. Tax incidence is the answer C. Ultimate distribution of a tax burden. VAT is a good example of which kind of tax? Answer D. Ad valorem. If the market price is below the equilibrium price, answer A. Quantity demanded will be greater than quantity supplied. It is necessary to ration of good whenever. Answer D. Demand exceeds supply. Nationalization occurs when. Answer C. The government takes control of an industry. With a positive externality. Answer A. There is underconsumption in a free market. If the price in a market is fixed by the government below equilibrium. Answer C. There is excess demand. A public good will. Answer C. Not be provided in a free market.